And lastly, but not the least, meron pa. Lutuan, guys. Another lutuan. Malaki to, guys. Ayan. And mukhang may something sa loob, then mabigat. Okay, let's check. Dahil mabigat. And nangangamoy. So, it's detergent, guys. More detergent. Ayan, detergent ulit to, guys. Hindi ko nabubuksan. Ayan, lutuan, guys. More lutuan. And then, what we have more here is, ito, panalagyan ng plastic, guys. So, ayan. And, what more? What is this? Joint silicone. Yung silicone para sa pagluluto. Ayan. And then, we have this, guys. Kasha ba ito sa akin? Oh, kasha, guys. Oh. The new trend. Ayan. Urong natin, guys.